Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 7-inch car DVD player Android 12 system special head unit for BMW 1 series 2081, 2082, 2087, 2088, 24 to 2012 years. Okay, let me show head unit. It comes with a special dash face frame kit. This comes with frame kit special. Okay. This volume and home button, back button, this is navy button. Okay. All apps are here. You can check it. Built Z-Link 5, Z-Link 454, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless Android Auto. Okay. And built in the Play Store, you can download the application and Google Maps, Bluetooth and DAB. You need a DAB antenna to make it work. Okay. You can choose the time, you can choose logo, and other speed or navy or music. You can check. Belsee is a manufacturer of a car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. This you can change the logo BMW. And edit color. Any color you can adjust. Okay. And this radio, you can check knob, work with the radio, AM and FM. Is such the radio stations. Okay, let me change back the Belsee. Okay. Let me check the settings. You can check about device and Android 12 system. Android 12 system. And RAM 8GB storage 128GB. A network already built in the Wi-Fi. And you can visit our website belsee.com, blse.com. Contact us. Latest Android head unit. Okay. And this car settings, base setting. And stereo settings. Storage, you can check total 128GB. And system, you can change the language. All language already built in the system. Okay. Let me show this built in the DSP amplifier. It's music. You can play music on USB. Random this DSP amplifier. Okay. Music and show the Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone first. This Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth and click search button. Okay, you can pair the Bluetooth. Your phone will get message. Please click pair. Okay, connected. You can make phone call. Okay, it work with Bluetooth.
普通话服务请按1 For English service, please click 2. 廣東話服務請按3。您使用
Okay, you can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with streaming music from your phone and built in the YouTube video. You can play this 4K video. Okay, and this is the link file for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is Android Auto. And if you have any more questions, please visit our website belsee.com and contact to us. There are media SD to SD card slots. Okay, that's all. Thank you.